It's getting cold outside. Let's discuss aromatherapy for cold and flu season, especially the respiratory oils. I'm Erin. I'm a certified holistic aromatherapist, herbalist, holistic health expert, and sound practitioner. I'm here to help you live a holistic lifestyle with ease. I'm going to talk about some of the respiratory oils, how you know which ones are in that family. I'm going to talk about how you can use these. At the end, I'll let you know about a little deal going on. So the respiratory oils. There are a family of essential oils that are especially gifted to help with our respiration, healthy breathing, the terrain of the respiratory system, being able to take good deep breaths, getting rid of junk in our lungs, all that stuff. So to remember, here's a trick. The doctrine of signatures is a concept that when a plant resembles an anatomical body part, that very often it's good for that part of the body. A really simple example is like a cross-section of a carrot compared to your eyes, and we know that vitamin A in carrots are good for your vision. So with this particular subject, the respiratory oils, I want you to think about trees. Okay, so think of the shape of a tree and what that looks like branching out. Is there a part of your body that you can think of that resembles that? It's your lungs. So this is how you can remember. Tree essential oils are very gifted at helping to support healthy respiration. And there's lots of different tree essential oils that could fall into this category. I really can't think of an essential oil that's a tree that wouldn't necessarily fall into this category. Some of my very favorites are silver fir, all of the spruces, pinon pine. And then there's a few outliers that don't really fit that doctrine of signatures, but which are also really helpful for respiration. So thinking of lemon, thinking of peppermint. But overall, the concept here is to focus on tree essential oils. And there's even a subcategory of tree essential oils that can help to be antimicrobial tree allies during cold and flu and sickness and such. And that would be the eucalyptus family and Nyaouli. And you can throw a tea tree in there too. So how do you use these? If you're by yourself, you can definitely put all of these in your diffuser, and you can use them as singles or you can blend them together up to, 10 drops in your diffuser, diffuse for 20 minutes. You can breathe directly from the bottle or use an aromatherapy inhaler. Floricopia, one of the companies I partner with, has 20% off of the respiratory oils. You can find that link in my profile. Follow for more.